Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can resolve this issue. If you're trying to create a copy of your own Sheetify CRM or other Sheetify toolkit and you get this permission page, don't worry, this just means you haven't added the toolkit to your own Google Drive folder. Locate the template, either Sheetify CRM, projects or bookkeeping, depending on the toolkit that you purchased. Simply double click and that will take you here. You'll notice this says view only. What you want to do is navigate up to File and make a copy. The great thing about our Sheetify toolkits is you're creating your own version that you own 100%. Simply name your toolkit. I'm going to call this CRM for Stu's Consulting. Then it's important to navigate down to Folder and you want to change this to a folder that you own inside your drive. For me, that's Stu's Consulting. This is the business I want to use the CRM for. Click on Select, and it's as simple as that. If you don't change the folder here, then you'll see the permission page that looks something like this. Okay, once you've added your folder, come down and click on Make a Copy. And congratulations, just like that, you now have your own Sheetify toolkit. Now, most likely you're completely new to Sheetify CRM, projects, or bookkeeping. So I will add relevant tutorials down below in the description that will help you get the most out of all of these Google Sheets business templates. However, that is it for this quick tutorial. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.